Welcome to our deep dive into the fascinating world of artificial general intelligence, or AGI. Unlike the narrow AI systems we encounter today, which are designed for specific tasks like voice recognition or playing chess, AGI aims to replicate human cognitive abilities across a wide range of activities. Imagine a machine that can learn, reason, and understand just like we do. This is the promise of AGI. Join us by liking the video and subscribing to the channel as we unravel these questions and more, diving into the exciting and sometimes controversial realm of artificial general intelligence. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about the future, this journey promises to be both engaging and enlightening. Artificial general intelligence, or AGI, refers to a type of artificial intelligence that possesses the ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks, much like a human being. In simple terms, AGI can think, reason, and adapt to new situations, making it versatile and capable of handling complex problems. This is in stark contrast to narrow AI, which is designed to perform specific tasks but lacks the ability to generalize its knowledge beyond those tasks. For example, consider a narrow AI like a virtual assistant that can schedule appointments or answer questions. While it excels at these specific functions, it cannot perform tasks outside its programming, such as diagnosing a medical condition or composing a symphony. On the other hand, AGI would be able to seamlessly switch between these tasks, understanding the context and nuances involved in each. Another relatable example is a child learning to ride a bike. Initially, they may struggle, but as they practice, they learn not just how to ride but also how to balance, steer, and navigate obstacles. An AGI would similarly learn from experience, applying its knowledge to new challenges, whether that's playing a new sport or solving a complex math problem. In essence, AGI represents a significant leap forward in AI technology, aiming to create machines that can think and learn like humans, opening up a world of possibilities for innovation and problem solving. The journey of artificial intelligence has been a remarkable one, marked by significant milestones that have shaped the field and paved the way for the pursuit of artificial general intelligence, or AGI. It all began in the mid-20th century when pioneers like Alan Turing and John McCarthy laid the groundwork for AI research. Turing's famous test, proposed in 1950, aimed to determine a machine's ability to exhibit intelligent behavior indistinguishable from that of a human. In the following decades, the development of narrow AI took center stage. The 1960s saw the creation of early programs like ELIZA, which simulated conversation, and the first successful chess-playing program, demonstrating that machines could perform specific tasks effectively. However, these systems were limited in scope and lacked the ability to generalize their knowledge. The 1980s and 1990s brought about a resurgence in AI research, fueled by advancements in machine learning and neural networks. Influential figures like Geoffrey Hinton and Yann LeCun contributed to breakthroughs that allowed machines to learn from data, leading to the rise of narrow AI applications in areas such as image recognition and natural language processing. As we moved into the 21st century, the focus began to shift toward AGI. Researchers recognized the need for machines that could not only excel in specific tasks but also understand and adapt to a wide range of challenges. This ongoing quest for AGI represents the next frontier in AI, promising to revolutionize industries and enhance our daily lives in ways we are just beginning to imagine. The potential applications of artificial general intelligence, or AGI, span across numerous fields, promising to transform how we live and work. One of the most impactful areas is healthcare. Imagine an AGI system that can analyze vast amounts of medical data, identify patterns, and assist doctors in diagnosing diseases with unprecedented accuracy. For instance, AGI could help in personalized medicine by tailoring treatment plans based on an individual's genetic makeup and lifestyle, leading to better patient outcomes. In education, AGI could revolutionize the learning experience. Picture a virtual tutor that adapts to each student's learning style, providing personalized lessons and real-time feedback. This could help students grasp complex subjects more effectively and foster a love for learning. Schools could leverage AGI to create customized curricula that cater to the unique needs of every learner, making education more accessible and engaging. Industry is another field ripe for AGI applications. From optimizing supply chains to enhancing product design, AGI could streamline operations and drive innovation. For example, an AGI system could analyze market trends and consumer behavior, enabling companies to make data-driven decisions that enhance efficiency and profitability. As we explore these innovative examples, it's essential to consider how AGI might impact our daily lives. Whether in healthcare, education, or industry, the integration of AGI could lead to significant advancements, making our lives easier and more productive. The future is bright, and the possibilities are endless. How do you envision AGI shaping your world? As we venture deeper into the development of artificial general intelligence, it's crucial to address the ethical implications that accompany this powerful technology. One of the primary concerns is safety. With AGI's potential to operate autonomously, ensuring that these systems behave in ways that are beneficial and non-harmful is paramount. The question of control arises. How do we maintain oversight over machines that can learn and adapt independently? Establishing robust safety protocols and fail-safes will be essential to prevent unintended consequences. Another significant issue is bias in AGI systems. If the data used to train these systems contains biases, the AGI could perpetuate or even amplify these biases in its decision-making processes. This could lead to unfair outcomes in critical areas like hiring, law enforcement, and healthcare. It's vital for developers to prioritize fairness and transparency in their algorithms to mitigate these risks. Responsible AI development is not just a technical challenge, it's a moral obligation. As creators of AGI, developers must consider the broader societal impacts of their work. This includes engaging with diverse stakeholders to understand the potential ramifications of their technologies and ensuring that AGI serves the common good. As viewers, it's important to reflect on the moral responsibilities of AI creators. The choices made today will shape the future of AGI and its role in society. By fostering a culture of ethical awareness and accountability, we can work towards a future where AGI enhances our lives while upholding our values. Developing artificial general intelligence is an ambitious goal, and researchers face several key challenges along the way. One of the primary technical hurdles is the limitations of current AI systems, which are predominantly narrow AI. These systems excel at specific tasks but struggle to generalize their knowledge across different domains. For instance, while an AI can outperform humans in chess, it cannot apply that strategic thinking to a completely different context, like navigating social interactions. Bridging this gap is essential for creating AGI that can function effectively in diverse situations. Another significant challenge lies in replicating the complexity of human-like reasoning and learning. Humans possess the ability to understand context, infer meaning, and adapt their thinking based on experiences. This level of cognitive flexibility is difficult to encode in machines. Researchers are exploring various approaches, such as neural networks and reinforcement learning, but achieving the depth of understanding and adaptability seen in humans remains a formidable task. As we consider these challenges, it's important to appreciate the ongoing research efforts in the field. Scientists and engineers are tirelessly working to overcome these obstacles, experimenting with innovative algorithms and interdisciplinary approaches. Their dedication is paving the way for breakthroughs that could one day lead to AGI. By staying informed and engaged with these developments, viewers can gain a deeper understanding of the complexities involved and the exciting potential that lies ahead in the quest for AGI. The future of artificial general intelligence holds immense promise, with potential advancements that could revolutionize technology and society as we know it. As researchers continue to refine algorithms and enhance machine learning techniques, we may see AGI systems that can not only perform tasks with human-like proficiency but also understand and adapt to complex environments in real time. Imagine AGI capable of conducting scientific research, developing new medicines, or even solving pressing global challenges like climate change and poverty. The possibilities are truly exciting. The societal changes brought about by AGI could be profound. With machines that can think and learn like humans, we might witness a shift in the workforce, where AGI takes on roles that require critical thinking and creativity. This could free humans to focus on more strategic and innovative tasks, potentially leading to a new era of productivity and creativity. However, it also raises questions about job displacement and the need for reskilling, making it essential for society to adapt to these changes thoughtfully. As we envision a world with AGI integration, it's important to consider how it could enhance our daily lives. Picture smart cities where AGI optimizes traffic flow, reduces energy consumption, and improves public safety. Envision personalized education systems that cater to individual learning styles, fostering a generation of lifelong learners. By engaging with these ideas, viewers can begin to imagine the transformative impact of AGI, inspiring a collective vision for a future where technology and humanity thrive together. In summary, artificial general intelligence represents a groundbreaking frontier in technology, with the potential to transform various aspects of our lives. We've explored its significance, from revolutionizing healthcare and education to optimizing industries and enhancing our daily experiences. The versatility of AGI applications is truly remarkable, promising innovations that could improve efficiency and creativity across multiple fields. However, as we delve into the exciting possibilities of AGI, it's crucial to emphasize the importance of ethical considerations. The development of AGI comes with responsibilities, including ensuring safety, preventing bias, and maintaining control over these powerful systems. As creators and users of AI technology, we must engage in thoughtful discussions about its implications and strive for responsible development that benefits society as a whole. We hope this exploration of AGI has sparked your curiosity and encouraged you to think critically about its future. If you found this video informative and engaging, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more content on AI and technology. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who might also be interested in the fascinating world of AGI. Your support helps us continue to create valuable content and foster a community of informed viewers. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we look forward to exploring more exciting topics with you in the future.